Hello, everybody. My name is Carlos Urban. I'm your professor for the supply chain marketing class. So I'm doing this welcoming video to give you a little bit of guidance of the class. And most importantly, there is going to be an orientation on Monday at 6 p.m. So what I have done here in the announce, so this is what you see when you open your Canvas on Monday. So first of all, in the announcements, okay, you will see, sorry, here in the announcements, you will see that I added, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so when you go to your home page, I had to, what happened, it was hidden, that's why I had to um, reset it. So what you're gonna see is there is an announcement, okay? So in the announcement says basically kind of what I'm saying right now. Welcome to Supply Chain Marketing. For the first time this fall, this course will be an independent study. Your responsibility will be the individual project. Nevertheless, I have included all the class materials, including the slides that I've used in previous semesters for your guidance. We will have periodical Zoom meetings individual throughout the semester to monitor your progress and go over any questions you may have at each stage. On Monday, that means this Monday, the 26th, we will have an orientation on Zoom at 6 p.m. If you cannot attend, the session will be recorded and available under Panopto videos. Allow a couple of hours to load the video after the session is over. So here, where it says Zoom meetings, you will notice that there is already a meeting set, okay, for Monday at 6 p.m. Now, again, because this class doesn't have a time, if you're not able to attend, then you simply go here over under Panopto videos and you will see the recording. Now, I don't think this will take more than an hour. So let's say it ends by 7, okay? You need to wait at least until 9 or even probably later than that because it's a 1 hour video file that is uploading on the cloud. So it's going to take time before it uploads. So don't be concerned if you don't see it. Let's say you're not able to join at 6 and then you check at 7 or 7:30 and it's not there. It's because you need to give it time. So again, here under Zoom meetings, you can join. You should join through Canvas. It only allows you to join if you have an MDC email address. So when you do it through Canvas, I think it's automatically. You don't have to worry about that. So again, I just show you the announcement. So here is the syllabus, okay? And the syllabus, well, first of all, you have all these things, but ignore this. I don't know why it generates all this information when, again, this would be, all of this would be relevant if it was a regular class. But as you can see here on the right, assignments are weighted by group. The only thing is the project. The class is the project, it's 100% of your grade. So here, when you open the syllabus, so let's just make sure that it's working properly. By the way, we're going to go over the syllabus in detail on Monday. But again, this is for somebody who wants to read it ahead of time. So this is the description. This is the required textbook for the course. Okay, so you should get this textbook. This one, the market-driven supply chain, although it says recommended, you don't need to buy it. This is the one that would be helpful, or well, the group project really consists of sections from this book, or sections of this book will help you, but most importantly, the class slides, okay? So this is what the class includes. We're using the Canvas learning environment. Since the class is independent study, then basically here it says group project because typically it's a group project. But again, in this case, since the only thing you're responsible for is a project, it's going to be individual. The withdrawal policy is basically the same of the schools. All of this stuff is the standard stuff for the school. Um, Before the deadline of instructor withdrawal, meaning that's when I can withdraw you. Okay, and I'll talk about that on Monday. If I haven't heard from you and we haven't met and we haven't communicated, I will send you a couple of warning emails. And if I don't hear from you, then I will withdraw you from the class. Because by the deadline, I believe is somewhere like in November. By then, we should have met at least twice, and I should know what your project is and where you are and so on. So this is the grading criteria. The written deck is 80% of the grade. The oral presentation is 20% of the grade. So you're going to present to me one-on-one. Here is a summary of the project. Here is the rubric. So we're going to go over all of these, on Monday. So let's see what else do we have here. So here, when you go under modules, so everything is here under modules. Here is the main presentation. I also do a technology presentation, which is here. It'd be nice if you introduce yourself. Here it says 5 points. Ignore this. Regularly, this is worth 5 points of your grade, meaning of your class participation grade, but this is not, again, 100% of your grade is a project. Here you have, again, the project description and rubric. Here is where you're going to submit it, and we'll talk about it on Monday. You can submit it as a Canvas link if you want, but you also have to submit a PDF, because if for some reason I cannot open the link, then what I'm going to grade is really the PDF. Here are some video tutorials that I use throughout the semester. Okay, these are digital marketing tutorials, some videos on strategy that I have used during the semester. I would say these videos, don't worry about them, they're more for reference. Okay, right now, I would say the most important thing you need to focus on is this presentation and understanding what you need to do for the project. And that's what we're going to do on Monday. Now, I will tell you right now that one of the reasons why this course is in an independent study is because of my limited time. I'm teaching many classes, and I have very limited time. So we will talk on Monday, but chances are that basically when I can meet with you is going to be, and that's what one of the things we're going to talk about. But for me, preferably, it would probably be like Monday at 6, okay? And if that's an issue for you, I'm talking about not every Monday. It's whenever we schedule it, it would be on Monday at 6. And what we would do is probably have, people joining in different slots. So we would have the first person joining at 6, the second one, say, at 6:20. So, like in 20-minute slots. Or the other thing is you can join at 6 and we'll just put you in the, waiting until the other person comes in. We'll talk about that on Monday. Originally, it was supposed to be only 2 students. Now I believe we have 7. We were going to convert it into a regular class, but because all of you have already registered as an independent study, we decided to leave it like that. Originally, the capacity was going to be not more than 5. I allowed it to be as many as people register because I recognize that many of you will be graduating very soon, maybe even this semester, and you need this class to graduate if you're doing the supply chain, especially the supply chain bachelor's program. So again, we're in the 10-minute mark, and this was just to welcome you And to give you the heads up that Monday we will have the orientation session, and if for some reason you cannot attend, then you can always look at the Panopto video. Something else in the syllabus that is important is how to contact me. So I prefer, instead of using the internal canvas, for you to send me an email. My email is this, servant@mdc.edu. Okay? Uh, when you send me an email, I immediately, just like everybody, can see it on my phone, and then I will answer it as soon as possible. If you do it through the internal canvas or the chat, I may not notice until a day or two later. So it's better if whenever you want to contact me, just send me an email. Okay? So I hope this was useful, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you on Monday.